Hi, I'm Mackenzie Liu, and I attempted to make a vending machine using an Arduino, which is a programmable circuit board used for devices. The goal for my project was to be able to dispense an item or product using a servo. In school, I always walked past the vending machines, and I wondered if I could make my own version. On the outside of a vending machine, all I think about is getting my food. You choose the selection and put in the money, and out comes the item. Very simple. But what goes on inside a vending machine? It's more complicated than that. I went to some websites, and even though we had labs and tutorials on low voltage electronics, sites like How to Mechatronics blew me away. Not just the time it takes to set up boards and pulleys, the schematic diagram of electronics seems so overwhelming. The basics of a vending machine on videos I saw use Arduino, buttons, servos, and an LCD. For my project, I concentrated on those components. I started to build those components in isolation, and when all worked, I took all those building blocks and ran a few sketches to get where I am today, which includes the building of the vending machine frame. The Arduino code makes it all work. You have to include the component libraries and declare servos, buttons, and an LCD. You can configure them on specific pins to the Arduino. When the LCD says to choose something, you press a button, and the button sends a signal to the Arduino board, which sends a signal to the servo, and the servo rotates the coil, and the coil pushes the product off the shelf. This code is compiled in the Arduino IDE, then uploaded to the Arduino board using a USB cable. How I went about building the vending machine is I used the How to Mechatronics website, and I built the frame and shelves for the servos, and I started to build the Arduino, the servo, the LCD, and the buttons all in isolation. The lessons I learned is that you would have to make sure that your components are grounded and pins are placed in their correct spots. Otherwise, you would get random results like distorted characters on the LCD screen. If I had more time, I would try to get the infrared sensor to work, as well as spending more time to make the other servos to work, seeing as I only had 2. This project taught me more about Arduino coding and is a good intro into programming. But all in all, I'm very happy with the results, given the short time frame to do this vending machine project. Thank you for watching my video, and hope you have gained a sense of what goes into making a vending machine.